A great little starter. This is a wonderful home for a young family. And transport, shops and schools are all close by. The home has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And it has space for up to 2 vehicles. The kitchen comes complete with modern fittings and conveniences. This home can be your base for building the future. And it also has split-system air conditioning. It comes with open-plan dining and family living, as well as an alfresco entertaining space. Add to that manicured gardens. Looking for a new start in life? Your opportunity to be close to everything important. Your new home? Find out more about it.